Papanoorin natin ang threesome video ni Jarina Sandu from Isabela for Miss Universe Philippines 2025.
Nestled in the heart of the province of Isabela, the Magat Dam stands as a testament.
Sobrang naging love talaga ako pag ang intro is nakapagsuot ng traditional dress, yung babae or yung candidate. And I like the music.
Through this lifeblood, that the province remains one of the leading producers of rice and corn in the country. The abundant water
Love
of
it.
the Magat Dam doesn't just feed the land, it also nurtures the
Sobrang green.
countless farmers who rely on these crops to sustain their families and contribute to the local economy. Public and private institutions play a key role in this transformation, with rice mills and corn processors working tirelessly to turn the raw crops into finished products.
Nice.
One of the most vibrant expressions of Isabela's agricultural heritage comes to life each year during the Bambanhi Festival. This lively celebration brings together the province's people in a colorful display of culture, tradition, and community. As the Magat Dam continues to nourish the fields and the people of Isabela, the province remains a vital source of agricultural produce, embodying the harmony between nature, industry, and tradition.
Sobrang nakaka-happy yung video niya kasi na-highlight ng todo-todo yung agriculture. Because whether we accept it or not, without agriculture, wala tayong kakainin. Kung walang mga farmers na magigiting na nagtataguyod at patuloy na, alam mo yun, nagtatanim ng palay, ng mais, and all the crops, agricultural products sa ating bansa, wala tayong food in the table. Yung importance ng Magat Dam na highlight din niya. Sobrang gusto ko yung place kasi sobrang appreciate ko yung simple life. Sobrang payak lang niya. Ito yung klase ng place na gusto mong puntahan, parang Bali siya na ang sarap magkaroon ng kumbaga immersion, like makikitira ka sa locals for like